In front of me is ZTE Blade A51, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password, add it to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, just go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access the Google section. Then click on Autofill. Autofill with Google and passwords. Following that, click on one of your added passwords that you wish to edit. Enter your current login method and click on Edit button. Then change wherever you wish to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!